Okay, hi again, everyone. It's day 2 of the vlogs, and the day started off pretty early. Started with a early board meeting, then a few emails, a few calls. That was not related to the FinRoute, but that's how my day had been going so far. I had breakfast, didn't get lunch, but I'm gonna get across to exercising just so that I can feel energetic, need a little pick me up. So I'm gonna exercise and then jump right back into fixing the website. So let's get to exercising. Exercise finish. All that is done. It's amazing what exercise and a bath can do. It's like a brand new person. Okay. Alright, so we are gonna head across to the finroute.com. Hi everyone, Editing Candace here. I just realized that I didn't even say what the FinRoute was, and for us to really do this together, I have to tell you what it is. So really quick, the FinRoute falls in the fintech space because we solve financial exclusion by offering everyone easy to understand financial answers to their money problems and give them direct access to financial experts in any institution. So basically, it is a life stage product that allows your financial goals that are specific to your stage in life to be accomplished with complete ease. So no lines, no elevator music on the phone, no long holds. Instead, hands-on help from financial institutions, officials, and experts that are eager to help. So there we go. Back to the video. We can see that it's pretty simple, clean, straight lines. Yeah, that's me there on the front there, but when we chose this photo, we were looking for a female because we anticipated that our demographic would be women initially, and we wanted someone walking on a path, which is the whole purpose of the word, the name of the business being the FinRoute. You know, it's routing persons to their financial goals. And so we wanted someone walking on a path, and we wanted to use pink because our logo is pink. And then I remembered, I was like, oh, wait a minute, I have a picture like that. So you threw me on there. And so, you know, we all about getting on that right financial path. So we did a school tour where we were able to share with students important financial knowledge that they should have. And then of course we have the learning center with all the articles. But with this, it's like an about page, and I really want to get to the meat of the matter as soon as individuals hit the page. One thing that it must have is a search bar so that persons can search for the information that they need, because we're going to have a whole lot. Then divide the information that we have up into categories. Here is where we get down to the good stuff about the FinRoute. Take a look at the whiteboard, and don't judge me, I still have my Christmas tree up. Here's the whiteboard. So on the whiteboard is where I have a sketch of what that part would look like. I like everything here. I can put in that piece that was on the whiteboard on this as well. I love the mobile view more than the desktop view, but unfortunately, according to our analytics, we have a lot more desktop users. That's interesting, right? Because it's always usually the other way around for any other business. Everyone usually goes on their phones, but that is just, I think, is a testament to the type of users that we have. They are there specifically for finance, and because it's finance and you're it's a serious topic, you don't really want to be there browsing on your phone. So I think that's why we have such a difference in user behavior. For now, we're just looking at the part that is open for everyone to use, and tell me what you think, if you like it. So as I go along, I'm gonna post, and as I post, it will just all come together. So this should be excited. I am actually really excited. So okay, so it's just about nightfall. I have to put on the light, and I have a meeting now and then another one at 8, so I have to stop doing the edits for the funeral. So that's it for today. Tomorrow, or probably later tonight, if I still feel inspired, I'll pop back on the camera and I would continue to add more things to it, because I'm really in that creative space and I'm really in a groove now. But unfortunately I have to stop to attend a meeting. So yeah, that's so far so good. See you next time.